able to use the left hand and right hand equally well. When someone able to use left and right hand equally, then you can call that person ambidextrous. What we call them? Ambidextrous. So this is the first word, which is ambidextrous. Those person who use his left hand and right hand equally well, दोनों हाथ को बहुत अच्छे से लिख सके, we call them ambidextrous. Ambidextrous. Next word is a man who hate marriage. Someone who hates marriage is known as misogamist. Is known as misogamist. A person who enter without any invitation. If someone enter without any invitation, so it is intruder. It is intruder. Next word is the word with opposite meaning used together is oxymoron. The word with opposite meaning used together is oxymoron. Okay, if a word but it is used, the word with opposite meaning used together. If there is word like unlike and you using these two words together, then it is oxymoron. A person leaving his native country to settle another. Suppose I am leaving India and settling America. So what I call to myself is a migrant. A migrant. Okay, a migrant. One who compiles a dictionary. One who compiles a dictionary, who makes a dictionary, it means lexicographer. 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 One who compiles dictionary means lexicographer. Too much officially formality. When there is lot of document in the process of anything, suppose you want to open your bank account but there are lot of documentation, then it is red tapeism. We call documentation red tapeism. One who devote his life to the welfare and interest of other people. Suppose you took not took you take selfless action. Okay, you are not selfish, but you are not selfish, you are selfless. Whatever you did or whatever you do for others, so it is altruist. 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 A person who oppose another. Okay, a person who oppose is antagonist. A person who oppose another is antagonist. A person who does not want to see the realities of life and tries to escape. सपोज मुझे रियलिटी फेस नहीं करनी, मुझे भागना है तो रियलिटी से, सो इज कॉल्ड एज स्केपिस्ट. स्केपिस्ट. ठीक है, स्केपिस्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज a game in which no one wins. Suppose match is tie, so it means drawn. It means drawn. What cannot be heard? What cannot be heard? When we are not able to heard anything, or there is something which we can't heard, is inaudible. Inaudible. One who know many language. Some person know multi language. Okay, so you can use multilingual or polyglot. Polyglot or multilingual. A person where everything is perfect. Sorry, a place where everything is perfect. Okay, place where everything is perfect, there is no words or any kind of judgment, everything is just perfect. Okay, place, that means utopia. Utopia. Next, sweet music melody. Sweet music melody. A person who is pure and clean is immaculate. Immaculate. Immaculate means a person who is pure and clean. Immaculate. To send a back person to one's country. To send back a person to one's country. If you are sending a person to his native country, that means repatriate. Repatriate. It means repatriate. One who takes hopeful view is optimistic. To be known for bad act. to be known for bad act. That means notorious. Notorious means when someone known for bad acts. Notorious. Instrument to measure atmospheric pressure. Barometer. Instrument which we can measure atmospheric pressure, which is barometer. One who pretends to be what he is not. One who trying to be but actually he is not that. So hypocrite. Suppose I'm pretending to be a doctor but I'm not, so it is hypocrite or hypocrite. On official call to appear in a court of law, that is summon. Murder of a brother means fratricide. When there is last word is side means murder something. So fratricide means murder of a brother. A list of items to be transacted at a meeting. A list of items transacted at a meeting, that means agenda. A continuous process of change is known as metamorphosis. It means process is continuously changing. A continuous process of change. Circular building or hall with a dome. Circular building or hall with a dome is rotunda. An order requiring a person to attend a court. An order requiring a person to attend a court is subpoena. An extreme fear of being in a small confined place. An extreme fear of being in a small confined place, that means claustrophobia. Allowance due to a wife from her husband on separation, alimony. Allowance due to wife from her husband on separation, alimony. Belonging to all parts of the world, universal. Suppose vaccine is now universally applicable, so it's universal. Words of similar meaning, synonyms. A speech delivered without previous preparation, extempore. When you give speech without any preparation, it's extempore. So this is the first thing. Next page. First, study of heavenly bodies. Heavenly means which is जो बाहर है आकाश में. Astronomy. To cut apart a person's body is multilate. One who is filled with excessive and mistake enthusiasm about his religion, fanatic. One who is filled with excessive and mistake enthusiasm about his religion. One who is excessive and mistaken enthusiasm about his religion is fanatic. An involuntary action under a stimulus is described as a reflex. Reflex means involuntary action. The use of many words where only a few are necessary is circumlocution. Circumlocution means use of many words where only a few are necessary. Circumlocution. Cosmopolitan. What is the meaning? One who is citizen not of a country but of the world. Cosmopolitan means one who is a citizen not of a country but of the world. An imaginary name assumed by author for this guy. Pseudonym. Imaginary name assumed by author for this guy. Pseudonym. A person who has no money to pay off his debt. Insolvent. A person who has no money to pay off his debt is insolvent. Number of ships, fleet, fleet. A test in which cells from diseased organ are removed and tested. A test in which cells from diseased organ are removed and tested is biopsy. Biops, bio, biospy, biopsy. A foreigner who settles in a country, immigrant. A foreigner who settles in a country is immigrant. Place that provide refugee. Place that provide refuge. Asylum. Asylum. Art of writing or for newspaper and magazine journalism. Art of writing newspaper and magazine journalism. Part of a country behind the coast of a river is hinterland. A part of a country behind the coast of a river is hinterland. One who does not make mistake. Infallible. 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 A professional rider in horse race. Jockey. Word uttered impiously about God. Word uttered impiously about God is blasphemy. 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 A person who is bad in spelling. Cacographist. A person who is bad in spelling. Name cacographist. Okay. A small room in a big house. Hotel, ship, where glasses, dishes, spoon, food are kept. Panitary. Pantry. Pantry. A small room in a house, hotel, ship where glasses, dishes, spoons, food are kept. Pantry. Doing something according to one's own free will. Voluntary. Voluntary. A person who gambles or bet. Punter. Punter. An abandoned child of unknown parent who is found by somebody. Foundling. Foundling. A written statement about someone character usually provided by an employer. Testimonial. Testimonial. A written statement about someone character usually provided by an employer. So testimonial. Okay. It is a written statement about someone character usually who provide you employer. One who hate women. So misogynist. Misogynist. A raised passageway in a building. Walkway. Walkway. A raised passageway in a building. Walkway. One who can't speak. Dumb. Dumb. To look at someone in an angry or threatening way. Glower. Glower. Something that causes death. Fatal. Fatal. A person who loves mankind. Philanthropist. A person who loves mankind. Philanthropist. One who had narrow and prejudged religious view by God. One who had narrow and prejudiced religious by God. To confirm with help of evidence. Corroborate. To confirm with the help of evidence. Corroborate. The time between midnight and noon. Ante-meridium. The time between midnight and noon is ante-meridium. Ante-meridium. Fear of height. Acrophobia. Fear of height is acrophobia. Feeling inside you which tells you what is right and what is wrong. Conscience. Feeling inside you which tell you what is wrong and what is right is conscience. Loss of memory. Amnesia. 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 A system of naming things. Nomenclature. A system of naming things. Nomenclature. A cure of all disease. Panacea. A cure of all disease. Panacea. A post with little work but high salary. A post with little work but higher salary is sinecure. is sinecure. Sinecure. A person who writes decoratively, calligrapher. A person who writes decoratively, calligrapher. A woman with dark brown hair. A woman with dark brown hair. Brunette. 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 The action of looking within or into one's mind. The action of looking within or into one's own mind. Introspection. Introspection. One who is a dabbler in art, science, and literature. Dil- dilettante. Still existing and known. Extent. Still existing and known. Extent. The highest point. Zenith. The highest point. Zenith. Releasing of a prisoner from jail on certain terms and conditions. Parole. Releasing a prisoner from jail on certain terms and conditions. Parole. To struggle helplessly. Flounder. To struggle helplessly. Flounder. A person who is talkative. Garrulous. 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 A person who is talkative. Garrulous. One who cut precious stone. One who cut precious stone. Lapidist. Specialist of kidney. Nephrologist. Thick skinned animal. Pachyderm. 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 Thick skinned animal. Pachyderm. A person who is always dissatisfied. Malcontent. A person who is always dissatisfied. Malcontent. Malcontent. A funeral knell. Capable of being interpreted in two ways. Ambiguous. Capable of being interpreted in two ways. Ambiguous. Ambiguous.